Hello guys, thanks for watching the video. And then today's 8.6 pre-recorded video session, we are basically going to copy portion of the unit circle. And I highly recommend you to have this by Wednesday night, so Thursday, Friday, when you have me in live lesson, you can just fill out the rest. And you don't have to spend time to like copy everything on weekend or something. Okay, so let's look at it. So when you go to the module today, so you click the module on the left hand side of your canvas, right? And then the top of all the module, you will see the this week module, which is April 19th through the April 23rd. So you go to the today's date, which is April 19 Monday or April 20 Tuesday for some of you guys. And when you look at here, you will see the second one, right? Blank unit circle PDF file. You can click that and copy the unit circle in your notebook. Or if you have a printer at home, you guys can definitely print out that and then maybe put in your notebook. Or if you have a binder, just make sure you keep that with you. But when you submit your notebook for today, submit everything. You should have completed unit circle chart as well. Okay, so let's look at this. It's already here. If you want, you can pause the video and then copy this as well. But just make sure you make the title as unit circle chart, okay? So you don't guess what is this? What's this circle for? So this is unit circle chart. So you can pause the video and copy. Make sure if you're not going to print out, have really good circle, like pretty circle, so you can see your own handwriting. It's not really for me, right? I already know this, but it's for you. So you can definitely use during the test or homework or quiz. So I want you to have really pretty circle. Please try to use ruler. If you don't have a compass, that's fine. Just try to draw really pretty circle. Just try your best. All right? So let's take a look at it. So you do have a big circle, and then we do have X and Y axis, right? So this is the X and Y axis. And then just try to use ruler. You should go from here to here, one line, and then two line, third, and then you do the opposite side as well. 1, 2, oops, I'm off, 3. Okay, so total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top, and then another 8 on the bottom. Okay, so I think it's really easy to print, but you know, I do not have a printer at home, so if you guys don't have a printer, just make sure you just copy on your notebook. Okay. All right, let's take a look at it. So today we are just gonna focus on the angle part. So we are not going to fill out this comma, which is X and Y coordinates yet. We are just gonna do the angle portions right here. All right, so let's look at it. I will start with my x-axis. So this is a 0 degree, right? We already learned that. 0 degree, if I convert that into the radian, it's still 0 pi, okay? And then I'm going to the, right here, y-axis. Oops. This one was how much? 90 degree. We did this last week, right? Every quadrant has, or each quadrant has like 90 degree. And then this one, 90 plus 90, it's going to be 180 degree, right? Easy. Okay. Now I am going to focus on the, oh, sorry, this one is 270. 180 plus 90, so I have a 270 degree, and then we are coming back to the start point, which is now I have a 360 degree. Okay, so this one is pretty easy. So I am going to focus on my first portion, top portion of the circle. So next slide, so you guys can see it. I zoomed in. Okay, so it was 0 degree, 360 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree. So what happened here is, oops, give me 1 second, this is Y. And this one is X, right? Okay, so what happened here is we have more angles between 0 to 90 degree. And you know, I will start with the middle one, this one, because it's basically half of the 90 degree. So if you divide 90 by 2, you will get 45 degree, right? So this one will be your 45 degree. Same thing with this second quadrant. It's between 90 and 180. So I am adding 90 with 45, okay? So 90 plus 45. It's going to be 145 degrees. So this one will be 145 degrees. So it's in the middle of middle between 90 to 180, if that makes sense. Okay, so I found the middle one. And this one will be 30 degree, okay? Why it's 30 degree? Because 30 degree is a very special angle. If you guys remember 8.2 special right triangle, we did 30 degree and 60 degree, and then 45 and 45 degree, isn't it? So in unit circle, we are doing the same thing. So we have a 30 degree, 45 degree, and the next one is 60 degree. And then 90 degree, and then 90 plus 30, this is 120. And then you add another 15, so it'll be 160 degree. Oh, sorry. That's going to be how much? Did I add it wrong? Hold on, let me check really quick. Yes, I was off. This one was 135, sorry. And then this one is 150. I added 15 degree there. Okay, so make sure you copy this. Okay, so 0, 30, 45, 60. This part is pretty easy. It's 0, 30, 45, 60, which is our special right triangle, and then 90 degree. And some people think second quadrant is hard, but no, not really. You know, 90 plus 30 will give you 120, right? 120 plus 15, 135, 135 plus 15, 150. And then you add another 30 degree, and then you get 180 degree. Okay? And if you guys remember, 180 was pi, right? Because it's a half of 360. And 360 was 2 pi. Okay? And then 0 is same thing as a 0 pi. So make sure you do have radian as well, because we will use both units. Okay. So this part, the one I'm circling right now, you guys have to have a radian. So which means we have to convert 30 degree into radian, 45 degree into radian, 60 degree into radian, and so on. All right, so let's do that. And then that's kind of your job as well today. 90 degree is pretty easy. 90 degree is half of 180, right? 180 divided by 2 is 9. So half of pi will be just pi over 2. There we go. Now the thing is right here. So let me go to the next slide and show you. You know, when you convert the degree to radian, let me write here. You have to multiply by pi over 180 degree. If you're going to the other direction, you're multiplying by 180 over pi. But in this case, it's going to be pi over 180. So you're going to do 30 times pi over 180, right? This is 30 over 1. 0 and 0 cancels. So you have 3 pi over 18. But 3 and 18, you guys can cancel as well. It's divisible by 3. So you actually have a pi over 6. Good? So here, you have a pi over 6. You guys can just use this horizontal line as the fraction part, okay? Same thing with the 45. You're going to multiply by pi over 180, right? So you have a 45 pi 180. I do not want decimal. Everything's supposed to be fractions. And then you are going to simplify 45 and 180. Let's divide by 9, I guess. 9 times 5 is 45. And 20. Okay, I can divide a little bit more by 5. So it will be pi over 4. So 45 degree is pi over 4. Okay? And so on. You are doing 60. Again, 0 and 0 cancel. 6 and 18. I'll show you like that. 6 and 18. This is pi over 3. Cool? You are going to convert this portion by yourself then. You do same thing, 120 times pi over 180, right? You can pause the video and then just do it. I am not going to do it. And you are going to complete the bottom portion of the unit circle, which I will label the degree for you. This was 180, 210, 225, 240, and we know this is 270, and then this is going to be 300, 315, 330, and then 360 finally. I'll label everything. Okay, and then you are going to convert all of this in radian as well. 210 times pi over 180, and then you will find the answer and blah, 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 okay? And that's going to be your job today. Too long? It's too long, right? You guys don't want to do it anymore. So here, please copy this. Pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, okay? 5 pi over 6. Be good? But you should be able to know how to convert. All right. Bottom portion. This is 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, okay? 4 pi over 3, and 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, almost 11 pi over 6, and then 360 degrees 2 pi. We good? So you've completed the unit circle part, the angle part, the degree, and then Thursday and Friday we are going to do the X and Y coordinates. Okay, so that's it for today. Or maybe if you're really smart, you can go to Google and then just type unit circle chart, right? And then it will have everything there. You know, Google is awesome. So you guys can just copy that as well. So thank you, and that's all I ask for you to do today. And then submit your notebook now. And then number 2, we are doing 8.6 practice problems. And then you're going to watch Wednesday video on Wednesday and then complete the Wednesday assignments for the attendance, all right? Thank you.